The aggregate transformation. It is similar to aggregate functions in SQL. It is used to apply different aggregations, for example sum, min, max and count. Let's check an example. Here I am in the data factory and ADF flat file source. Let's go to the data preview. It has 3 columns: first name, last name and department. Now let's add a aggregate transformation. Here we can provide output stream name. The description is optional. This is incoming stream. So here we have two options, group by and aggregates. Let's add a new column, emp count. Let's add count. First name. Click on save and finish. Click refresh. So here we can see total employee count, which is 100. Now let's change the aggregate settings and add group by. Department. Refresh the data preview. Now the output is grouped by department, and we can view both the column department and employee count.